Make a great choice today with the 2021 A5. The Audi A5 is a great car. A great drive and superb engines are included standard. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, electronic stability control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.